Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of battlefield. The piece of ground on which a battle is or was fought. For example, death on the battlefield. American pronunciation. Battlefield. Battlefield. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Battlefield. Say, battlefield. Battlefield means piece of ground on which battle is or was fought. Battlefield. Battlefield. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. History surrounds us with battlefields, burial grounds, and forts. Now, repeat after me. History surrounds us with battlefields, burial grounds, and forts. The second practice. Terrorists wear civilian clothes and they don't fight on battlefields. Now, repeat after me. Terrorists wear civilian clothes and they don't fight on battlefields.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.